So now let's proceed to the lesson 28. So here in this lesson, we've learned some of the everyday expressions, dialogue in the Sala and Cebuano dialect. So here are some Cebuano dialect. So if we say dayun mo in English, that is please come in. So dayun mo here is come in, and lingkod sa mo, the word lingkod here is sit down. So sa mo here is specify the person who are talking to. So dayun mo, please come in, and lingkod sa mo, sit down. Naa ba mi matabang ninyo? So, naa ba mi here is could we. So, could we, me here, and we is the person, and matabang is help, and ninyo, you. Naa ba mi matabang ninyo? Could we help you? Nalipay mi nga naabot mo. We are happy that you came. So, nalipay here in English is happy. And naabot is came. So we are, the word me here, specify also me or we. So nalipay mi nga naabot mo. We are happy that you came. Nindot ni siya nga lingkuranan. This chair is comfortable. So the word nindot here, nindot ni siya, nindot is comfortable, and the lingkuranan is the chair. So nindot ni siya nga lingkuranan. This chair is comfortable. Ganahan mo maminaw og music. Do you wish to hear music? So the word ganahan here is wish, and maminaw is here, and music is music. So ganahan mo maminaw music. Do you wish to hear music? Ganahan mo magbasa og newspaper. Do you wish to read a newspaper? So the word ganahan here again in English, that is wish here, and magbasa is the read, and the newspaper. So ganahan mo magbasa og newspaper. Do you wish to read a newspaper? Ganahan mo og bugnaw nga tubig. So, will you have some cold water? So, the word ganahan again here is will you have, and bugnaw is the cold, and the tubig is the water. So, ganahan mo og bugnaw nga tubig. Will you have some cold water? So, again, the cold is bugnaw, and the tubig is water. Mga pila na mo katuig nagpuyo dire. So, how long have you lived here? So, pila is mga pila na mo is how long. Mga pila na mo katuig is how long have you. And nagpuyo, once again, that is live. Nagpuyo is live. And dire is here. So, here, dire. So, mga pila na mo katuig nagpuyo dire. How long have you lived here? Ganahan mi diri magpuyo. We enjoy living here. So, ganahan again here is enjoy. So, and sometimes it vary on how we use the sentence. So, again, ganahan in some we use it for wish, or like, or want, or here we use it as enjoy. So, ganahan mi diri magpuyo. We enjoy living here. Magpuyo again is living, and diri is here. So, we enjoy living here. Ang mga tao diri kay buutan ug matinabangon. The people are friendly and helpful. So, ang mga tao, the people here is the tao, and kay buutan, the buutan is friendly, matinabangon is helpful. So again, the word tao here is the people, and the buutan is the friendly, and na matinabangon is helpful. So ang mga tao diri kay buutan ug matinabangon. The people here are friendly and helpful.